Hey there everyone, welcome back in React.js Instagram app video tutorial series. My name is Zaslim. In this video tutorial we are going to discuss about Logout and now we are in Firebase Authentications. So last video tutorial we finished until here. I'm going to create a div tag and inside here I will copy this sign up. It's a floating button and here instead of sign up, logout. If I save, now here we have a logout. For this icon, if I go to material UI icons, go to under data display, material icons, and sign out log icon. I'm going to use here for logout here. Now we have a logout, so on click we have to perform or fire up logout method or function. It's a very easy and simple. I will write here on click and it will be something like auth dot sign out. That's it, only this auth dot sign out, auth which we export from our firebase.js. Save, and now let's see what happens if I click logout. Now here we have a sign in and sign up. Again I'm going to sign in, but still we didn't have sign in functionality. Let's create one more account, sign up, and this time the username is say test user and email, and password here let's say sign up. Okay, perfect. We create one more user. Now let's go to our Firebase console, and if I reload, it must be our second user, Apple.com, which we created just now. Again, let's make it logout. Okay, perfect. Here we have now in authentication this is how to create a sign up or register a user and logout or destroy you can set a session or the user. So that's for this video tutorial. In next video tutorial we will discuss about sign in.